Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Adventures with Rob. We've been really busy working on the car. Sorry we haven't brought you much content. Been trying to get it done. I got 4 days left until the car show. Today's Tuesday, car show's Saturday morning. I did want to take a little bit of time though to tell you guys about Rusto Garage. It's a promotion put on by Rust-Oleum, the paint company. They just did a member feature on me. Pretty cool. They got a hold of your guy and they sent me this, a care package for signing up. I got an invite on Facebook, and we're going to go through and do an unboxing. I'll show you guys what's going on. So like I was saying, I got invited off of Facebook to this, but you can get invited through email. I tried looking them up, rustogarage.com. Maybe you can get on it that way, I'm not quite sure. Or leave me a comment or send me a Facebook message. Go to our Facebook page at Adventures with Rob on Facebook. Send me a message with your email and I'll send you a link. I'll open it up here and we'll see what we got. Rusto Garage. It's official. You're part of the Rusto Garage community. Here's some swag to get you started. Make sure to update your profile and add a pic to be entered to win a gift card. Log in by scanning the QR code. Welcome to the Rusto Garage family. We got a koozie for your beverages. Got a little cell phone charger for inside the car. Neat. Got some Wipe New Blazing Wet Tire Shine. Extreme black shine. Maximum gloss, ultimate durability. We're gonna have to try that out probably right before the car show because I gotta drive gravel to get there, so we'll go wash her up the day of. Cool. Got a couple microfiber cloths, red one and a white one. We got looks like a sticky cell phone pad. Throw on the dash so your phone don't go zing-zanging around. Cool. Mouse pad, I'm assuming. Decent size. Some red tissue paper. That's pretty cool. If anyone from Rusto Garage is watching, thanks guys, I appreciate it. Let's see if by chance... Oh, real quick, check this out. We're gonna put this radio in the Galaxy, and after I undercoated it with Rust-Oleum undercoat, put my license plate floor panels down. Check this out. It works. 1966 Ford Galaxy. I didn't mess with that. It works. And dome lightage. It works. And I got my factory looking bottom seat cover installed. Anyways, thank you Rust-Oleum and Rusto Garage for the care package. I really appreciate it. Also, thank you for doing the member focus on me, and the little interview is pretty neat. I'm pretty proud of it. Just a little Iowa boy here working on his own. I appreciate it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.